Hi guys, we received this screen endoscope for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it has a 4.5-inch display in its full color, which I think it's a really nice option. Here we got the user manual, okay, with all the features and all the parts, how to use it. I think giving it a thorough read is gonna do a nice job if you learn how to use it if you hadn't had one already. Okay, this is how it comes packed. Okay, this is the main unit. It comes with this memory card, which you can just place right here to use it. Okay, which is really important. You can adjust it with the memory card, and you can also record what you are doing into the memory card, which I think it's a really nice option if you wanna check it out later. Okay, and it comes with these straps, and as you can see, it has a really lengthy distance, so you can be working your car in small places and searching for some things like key fishing in some places that you, I don't know, drop your keys and you don't find them. I think this is a really nice option, and it comes with different attachments to use it depending on what you need. If you wanna fetch something metallic, you can use this connection part with a magnet, so you can just catch whatever you need, which I think is a really nice option. Let's go ahead and test it with the cable, and as you can see, you can fish it out, as I've said, your keys or something. And this little hooked one also, so you can just grab certain things with it, and just a simple cap, okay, like this. And what I think it's really nice is that you get actually 3 cameras, one in this part, another one on this side, and the last one on this other side. And this is that display. Okay, I'm gonna remove the protecting film. As you can see, it has really nice design. Has these spaces so you can grab it firmly. So let's go ahead and test it outside in my car and see how it works. Okay, so I'm already in my car. As you can see, I can see different parts of it. I'm gonna turn down the sensitive light. See when I can reach, which I think it's a nice option. Which I think it makes it a really nice option to be working in your car, fetching some little stuff in it that you might have lost. Which I think it's a really nice option, and that's why I would really recommend it. It works really nice. I like a lot that it has actually 3 cameras and the option to change it. You can also have it so that you can record what you are doing and seeing through it, which I think is a really nice option, and that's why I would really recommend it. See you guys.